no fantasy here? Alright, well, because you like this so much, I, decided to release a remix, but, so we're gonna jam out.
Yeah!
You guys are ready?
Yeah!
It's my last song, you guys are ready?
No!
Oh, bagay yo chanje. Bagay yo chanje. Mpa gen chwa fòm bay moun plas la, guys. Okay, but if I do another program, you guys gonna come?
Yeah!
You guys sing with your chest, but you guys for real?
Yeah!
So I'll work on it. But mpa gen chwa, ou konen le a komanse leve. I'm sorry, Sherry, I'm sorry. But real quick, can we just give a big, big round of applause for the musicians and Doressa, please? I'm so grateful to have people in my life. I've been working with Peterson for like 10 years, man. It's my guy. Doressa is my little sis. He's my little bro. Sleammz is my family. Doressa is my beautiful, beautiful friend. I love her, my sister, everything. So these people, a lot to my heart. So you guys ready for fantasy?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
Try.
It's Jessie, baby. It's the remix, baby. I'm gonna get you right. Tell me what you like. Oh, let me hear y'all. I'm gonna get you right. Baby, don't be shy. Tell me what you like. I'll start slow. I wanna treat you right. Real fantasies tonight. Baby, don't be shy.